In just 8 minutes, you'll become experts in writing viral tags for your video. Let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. So now say for example, I'm going to create a video on how to create a YouTube channel. Now that's the topic on which I want to get the right tags. So here is the first option. Now there is a website called as rapidtags.io. Go to this rapidtags.io. Just click on use tool for free and type here. Say for example, I want to search as how to create a YouTube channel. Now that's the topic. Okay, I want the keywords for it. Just click on search. The moment you search, it is going to give the complete list of tags that you can use in your video. Now just don't copy this and paste it on your video. Just hold for a minute right now. Okay, so just copy this and put it in a notepad. Let me just put it in a notepad. Okay, so now I have many tags that I can add in my video. But is this the right way of doing? No, right? You have just got one set of keywords, but you don't know whether these are right or not. Now what you need to do, second best way of doing is go to YouTube and search as, say for example, same how to create a YouTube channel, and then just hit on the space bar. So you'll find here, okay, how to create a YouTube channel 2022. Now this is a great tag. Okay, again, how to create a YouTube channel in mobile. Now looks like this auto suggestion is indicating that okay, many people are searching on how to create a YouTube channel from mobile as well. Okay, so this is also a great tag. If you are going to create a video specifically for mobile, you can use that as well. Again, you can see here how to create a YouTube channel and earn money, right? So how to create a YouTube channel in 2022 in mobile. Now copy all these tags that are relevant, all this auto suggestions which are relevant, okay, and just paste it in front of it. Now this is the second way, that is where you are getting idea from the YouTube auto suggestions. Now once you do that, just hit on enter and see what others have used. Okay, so see this, how to create a YouTube channel 2022 beginners guide. Now this is a very important tag as well. Beginners, right? Easy, right? Tutorial, they all work great as tags. So again, I'm going to copy this as well, name as well. Okay. Now here is the third and the most important and easy one. That is getting the tags with the help of TubeBuddy Chrome extension. If you're not having the Chrome extension, just click on this info link and learn how to install it. Okay. The complete video is available in this info link. Now say for example, I want to see what tags this video has been using, because this video has got a good number of views. So probably they would have done all the research and only then they would have uploaded the video. So let's see what tags they have been using. So now that the TubeBuddy section is loaded. So if you see here, you can see all the tags that this video has used. Okay. All I need to do is just click on copy to and select all the relevant tags that you want to include in your video. Okay. Say for example, how to create a channel, YouTube channel. Yes, that is correct for me. I'm not going to use all these things. Okay. So again, this one, how to start a YouTube channel for beginners is powerful tag. How to start a YouTube channel, how to make a YouTube channel. Yes, this is all relevant. Select all of them which are relevant and click on copy to clipboard. Once you do that, just paste it. I've just rearranged these tags. Now we have a lot of tags, but YouTube allows only 500 characters in the tag section. That means we have to make sure we are picking only the best ones from this. Let me tell you how to do that. Now the first most important thing that you should be considering is anything that has beginners, year, right? It's a great thing to have. So I'm going to place this as the first one. Okay. How to start a YouTube channel for beginners. Okay. That means I'm going to have this. I'm going to also have this. So instead of 2022, I'm going to create as 2023. Okay. Now remove all the duplicate ones. Okay. So say for example, okay, how to create a YouTube channel. So it is there here as well. Remove all those things which are duplicate. This is also duplicate. Okay. So first make sure and remove all those things which are duplicate. Now after removing the duplicate and you having the most important one in the beginning, then just check how is the search volume for this, how to create a YouTube channel. Let me just take this and you can just use TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer. Say for example, how to use, just click on this icon, go to Keyword Explorer Either you can use TubeBuddy, or you can use vidIQ, or you can even use a tool called as keywordtool.io. Okay, even you can use this, but the thing is it does not have a free version, it's a paid version, right? So best I would recommend is either TubeBuddy or vidIQ. So how to create a YouTube channel, and see the search volume for this. So it says very good, right? You don't have to think too much here. Okay, so see whether it is saying good, very good, or something like that. If it is anywhere between above 50 or something like that, you can just take it. Okay, so don't put too much of effort in this. Now why am I saying this? I'm going to explain in a minute as well. Okay, so once you do this, if it is good, take it. Anything that is indicating as not so great, you can remove them as well. Okay, then say for example starting a YouTube channel. Let me check this, right? It says not so great, so that means it is not necessary for you to use this tag, right? So you can just remove this as well, right? In this way you can certainly find the best tags and put it in your video. Okay, so once you do that, certainly you have the best tags for your video, so that which is going to help you to get in the search. But is it really true that adding the tags is going to make your video viral? The answer is 100% no. Now let's understand what YouTube really says about tags. Your video title, thumbnail and description are most important piece of metadata for your video discovery. It did not say about tags. It says tags can be useful if the content of your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video discovery. So that means, yes, putting the tags is good, but it is not going to help your video to go viral. Okay, now when it is of great use, now say for example I'm going to create a video on how to get 4-wheeler license, right? In that case, somebody may be the actual spelling of license is LICENSE. Now somebody may be typing it as LISENCE, or somebody may be typing it as LISENSE, right? Now these are commonly misspelled words. Now if you're going to put that in the tag section, certainly it can help YouTube algorithm to know that okay, this video is related to this particular misspelled word as well, right? So again, tags play a minimal role. Now what is really important for your video to go viral is you picking up the right content, having great CTR and audience retention. If you want to understand how exactly to do that so that your videos are going to get massive views, then just click on this link to watch that complete video where I have explained each and everything, so that you get great views on your video and at the same time you can monetize your channel faster as well. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel. Thank you and bye for now.